Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Ashwini Vaishnaw yesterday inaugurated the Waves Creator Corner at the Bharat Mandapam on the second day of the India AI Impact Summit. Addressing the inaugural ceremony, the minister underscored that the Waves Creators Corner serves as a strategic extension of the ministry's key initiatives, including WaveX, Wave Bazaar, and the Create in India challenges. He conducted an extensive walkthrough of the pavilion, interacting with emerging entrepreneurs from the WaveX startup cohort and senior leadership of global entities such as Adobe, Netflix, Sony, and Amazon. Mr. Vaishnaw also praised the Indian Institute of Creative Technologies for integrating artificial intelligence into creative education to equip students for evolving industry demands. The minister engaged with 51 media tech startups and challenged winners at Waves. The ministry informed that the platform will continue to host experts dialogue, filmmaker masterclasses, and technical sessions by global leaders throughout the summit. They report News Now.